Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna show you how to deal with FL Studio Mobile for the first time. You will see a screen like that. You probably see many tutorials, but the first thing you have to do is go select the fruit sign and get the empty. You want to select empty, and also you have to know the tempo you want your beat created on. The tempo you can vary it depending on how you're doing the drums and things, whatever it works better. You hit new and say whatever you were doing, and the first thing I do is raise the volume of the main master of the whole project. And what I do is I select the arrow right here, the fruit sign again, and I'm gonna add master. So now the interface changed as most of the day updated to. So now same thing, hit right there on the fruit and then hit master. And then this time I'm gonna select stereoizer. I like start my beat with stereoizer because you want to balance in the sound. Stereo regulates between left and right sound. Because so a stereoizer is the one for my first choice as a main in the main master. Later on, you can add more different things to equalize and doing different things. Now that we make sure we have all volume, we're gonna select and the plus sign is to add the instrument and drums. We're gonna do our first drum. I'm gonna do my first attempt to show you what the drums is. We have 808, which is mainly used. We select 808 mainly used for hip hop. If you're trying to do hip hop or trap, 808 is the one you want to select. So I'm going to start to create. Right now, you will hear what I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to use this. You touch it once to put a snare and kick. So I'm just gonna make a snare and kick for you. Then you can see. So you change it depending on what you got on mind. I mean, you can listen to a song and try to replicate the drum of that song. In this case, I'm trying to do a boom bap or a boom bap drum. So that's what I'm gonna try to do as close as I can. We're gonna bring it to perfection later. It doesn't matter. You have to spend some time doing this. So if you listen that, I'm changing it. So it's trying to get rhythm. So some messages I have, but ignore it. So you have to move it. Boom, boom, boom. That's what I wanna get. And then like, but trying to get that noise, that's the drum I want to get. So just take a look, pay attention, change it, move it. That's how making music is. People think making beats is easy nowadays with AI and stuff like that. But if you are an AI or copy and pasting producer, hey, you're not a real producer. Talk serious. Like, you gotta do one by one, note by note, if you wanna be a good producer, like a skilled producer. Even if people don't appreciate it, but you are proud of what you're doing. Like you are the one doing it. Like actually, you really work hard on your beat. As close as I can get right now, because I haven't been making music for a little while, but I'm gonna get you better and better with the time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.